I was looking at some Microsoft rewards and I noticed this. It says Expedia Group Global Hotel Card, $50. That seems like quite a high value card for Microsoft rewards. If we go down, we can see we can go up to $250, which is a really huge amount to get for Microsoft rewards. If we look at any of the other things, the mostly low value things, so things like 3,000 points, 4,000 points, 7,000, 2,000, 1,500, 2,500. These are all relatively small, low value items that you can probably use very often. But if we look at this one, for some reason, this one sort of sticks out because it's supposed to be something that you probably don't use on an everyday basis, like going to a supermarket or maybe online shopping. This is for hotels and rentals. It's also a lot more expensive. This costs 300,000 points, while some of the other things were only a couple thousand points. So you can get something that's, 100 times what some of the other items are, even 200 times what some of the cheapest items are. Just thought I'd point that out and show that I know something weird. If you like this video, like the video, comment down below your thoughts, activate videos, and subscribe so you don't see videos like this in the future.